So, it's first thing in the morning. Well, I guess not first thing in the morning, it's like 8:30. And I'm heading up to my buddy's place for the first pickup. He has an air conditioner and a coil pack. He's an HVAC guy. He's given me quite a few air conditioners and coil packs, so I also take junk from him, like all of his garbage and recycling. Sometimes he pays me, sometimes I just take it for free because he gives me the air conditioners and stuff. And I drove right past this place. So I'm not going to show you a video of his house because I don't want to be putting his house in the video, but I'll show you the air conditioner once I get it into the truck. And then after that, we gotta go pick up the trailer and load the rest of the truck with some more clean steel and head to the scrapyard quickly because we gotta go to somebody else's house. Just put those two in. It's a pretty small air conditioner, so it's hard to get it to reach the tailgate, to like lean it against the tailgate to lift it in. But had a dolly. Buddy left the dolly out for me, so that made it a lot easier to get the air conditioner in the truck. So go pick up the trailer now, unload the truck, and then load the truck with more clean steel. Go empty that all out at the scrapyard, and then I gotta head down to the city to go and look at another scrap pickup. I don't know if I'm gonna pick up a bunch of the metal today or not, or if I'm just gonna be checking out the job. It's supposed to be a pretty big job. The guy said it's like a 3-story house of some sort, and they're doing like a complete renovation on it, I guess. I don't know if it's like a house that they're living in or if they're using it for some sort of business, but he said that there's a bunch of cast iron and copper tubing running through the whole house that has to go. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that. And then he said there's a bunch of other metal there as well, some handrails and a fridge, a stove, some appliances. So at the very least there'll be a couple pieces of shred and maybe like a truckload, and we'll see what the deal is with the rest of the stuff. I'll try my best to try to get some video while I'm there and everything, but I don't know what's gonna happen. It's a contractor that I met through Kijiji. I've known him for a while, picked up stuff from him a couple times, but I still don't know what he'd think about me filming, so I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Of course, it started raining more just as I got here, so I'm just gonna throw these things out, grab some of this clean steel right here. Not very much because I'm in a rush, but throw this, those ones, with that one I guess, and then throw some of this in quick. The trailer's parked up there, so throw some of this in and go hook the trailer up and get going. Raining pretty good now, so rush to get the truck filled. Just threw a couple pieces in, not very much at all, but the trailer has a decent amount of weight on it. It's all of the pallet racking on top of a bunch of other clean light sheet, just like that crap. It's all pretty light other than the pallet racking stuff on top. Put this extra sketchy little strap around here just in case, because a couple of these kept moving. So let's see what this weighs. Hopefully the rain stops on the way there. So I've got to unload in the rain too. We'll see what happens. Oh, 19, 20 pounds. Number 2 oversized steel. He let me empty it all out at once and just paid me for the number 2 oversized, like the pallet racking. But the bathtub he said was shred. I had a feeling that they were going to say that. I've sold them lots of bathtubs as clean steel before, but half the time it's kind of hidden in the pile, so because of the enamel stuff that's on it. But still pretty good. Oversized, number 2 oversized steel is like $10 or $20 more a ton than